Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.
Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have going on the USD JPY pair here. This time we are in on a nice in-the-money position here for a buy position, just looking to capitalize on the short-term momentum to the upside and gain a nice tidy profit here in the short term. A simple and straightforward position here with a fantastic risk to reward ratio for everything that is combined together to present us with this perfect storm trading scenario here. As I often mention, guys, you want to let the market present these perfect storm trading setups for you, not to force a trade or search out for an entry opportunity. You want to allow the markets to bring those positions to you and then capitalize on them accordingly with a proper risk to reward ratio as you see here. With that being said, I'll go ahead and bring you guys back when we are going into expiration for this trade here. Alright everyone, here we are at expiration for that trade. A fantastic finish overall with a well anticipated profit at the conclusion of that position. As stated, a straightforward, nice setup there for us. Multiple areas of confluence stacked in our favor to garner us a nice entry with the time allotted until expiration there. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more. As stated, this position had multiple areas of confluence, and I actually cover that with the resources in the description below, the top link being the Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering trades, just like you see here, by combining different forms of technical analysis to find these setups. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter or exit a trade within a moment's notice, 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting, then definitely be sure to check out the resources below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel here. In this video, I wanted to demonstrate how I am able to make over $200 in just 1 minute trading binary options on the Pocket Option platform here. A common misconception about trading is that technical analysis does not work for making consistent trading results. This is not the case, however. As you will see over time when trading, your results strictly depend on your personal levels of discipline, risk tolerance, and ability to remain patient while waiting for the market to present you with suitable entry opportunities. An important distinction of trading binary options versus other financial instruments is the need to be purposeful and accurate in your decision-making abilities. Binary options are matter of fact. You can either be right or wrong. There is no room for a misplaced entry or incorrect timing. Your ability to be correct in your market assessments can determine the difference between trading as a hobby, using guesswork, and the potential to trade binary options for a living, or at least make a suitable part-time income. In this particular trade, I waited for a setup opportunity which aligned multiple technical indicators into my favor, creating what is known as an area of confluence. This is when you are getting multiple different signals from multiple different forms of technical analysis converging into one unifying signal at one point on the chart for a laser-focused entry opportunity. The importance of using these different indicators in one approach is that other traders using each of these indicators individually are also placing entries at these points in market activity, creating a more likely entry point for many different types of traders. We can take advantage of these perfect storm entry opportunities as well as capitalize on them when applicable. As seen here in this example, combining these multiple different indications into one entry point proved to be a great short-term profit of over $200. That is an average daily income working a 9 to 5 where I'm located. This is how powerful trading binary options can be. If you want to learn more about the strategy I use when trading binary options and the process of combining different indicators together for finding these opportunities in the market, be sure to check out my educational package in the description below, where I demonstrate exactly which indicators I use and how I combine them when trading. Alternatively, I also offer the shadow trading program where you will get access to anytime I enter a trade on Pocket Option 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays. Learn more information about that by checking out the Shadow Trading Program membership down in the description below as well. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay up to date with any time I put out another video like this. Have a great day and remember to stay safe out there. Peace.
Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.